Hello, welcome to our vlog.
Today we're dyeing my hair red.
Purple! Today we're dyeing my hair purple. We're also going to be reviewing Craigslist Los Angeles discussion forum topics. The topics we have are Android, Apple, arts, atheist, autos, beauty, bikes, celebs, comp, cosmos, diet, divorce, dying. Okay. Dying. Okay, let's start with dying. Loss of a wife, mother, friend. That's it. I didn't find my cancer diagnosis scary. I can't see because I'm blind. I saw the cardiac doctor today, and I hope any more news to come. Okay, you know what? The topic of death is not one that I want to talk about right now. Nothing makes sense in this forum.
I don't know.
Where's my phone?
Ah! Stop moving!
Philosophy? That could be parenting. But yeah. Alright, so the first post in the forum of parenting that I found interesting starts with, "Handyman coming to finish my gutters. I need to vacuum my furniture and change out the sheets I keep on them. Clean the walls, windowsills, and baseboards. Organize some piles laying around the house. Put up the inside lights." Then it goes, "I'm having the annual cookie exchange at my house next weekend, so I really need to get some of the extra stuff done." You know,
Well, I just don't understand.
this has nothing to do with parenting.
Who gives a fuck?
Can we turn around again?
Yeah, this one? It's looking fucking sexy.
Good.
I'm gonna wash it out right away because I think my hair is gonna be bright ass purple. Craigslist forums really were not as interesting as I'd hoped they'd be. So we're moving on to Reddit questions, and I'm gonna be asking them to Amy. Mall Santas of Reddit. What's the weirdest thing a kid has asked for Christmas? Can we guess what that would be? Amy, during your time in the armed forces, what's the craziest thing you've seen while serving? Next question. How long does it take to fall in love? Come. How long does it take to fall in love? Tell us. Amy, who has never fallen in love before, tell us how long it takes to fall in love.
It takes
Good amount of time.
It
6
takes 6 days, 5 hours,
And
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Yeah.
There you have it, the exact, precise amount of time needed to fall in love. So, Amy and I have been in love for several years. I guess maybe it requires like some kind of other like sentiments besides like time.
Time's not a sentiment.
We're gonna move on. If you had a magical genie that would grant you 3 wishes, what 3 wishes would you make? Let's hear.
Well, I don't know. I feel like this type of question would require a lot of planning ahead, because even if you tried to...
Get in the video.
Okay. Even if you tried to, like, solve something. If you tried to solve something as someone that everybody agrees is bad, don't stand on that glass jar. Are you stupid?
No! I'm not gonna break it, it's glass.
Okay, my point is,
Glass doesn't break.
if you tried to solve something that everyone thinks is bad, like world hunger, for example, and there would be repercussions that could cause other bad things. For example, if you solved world hunger, then the world population would go up, and overpopulation of the world would become a bigger problem. You can't solve one thing without causing more problems.
And I fucking hate your answer. This is supposed to be fun and you just got political.
Well, that's all I'm saying. Money can be
Have you ever had any funny sleep paralysis experiences?
I can't say I have.
No, never a funny one, but like a really fucking terrifying one, yes. So, yeah.
Great stuff.
Great stuff. Never, no. Okay. What are the last 3 things you searched on your device? I'll tell you mine.
Okay.
Mine are... Alright.
Reddit, and
Reddit.
Craigslist.
Well, good. There we have it. How would you describe the taste of water? Aside from tasteless.
It doesn't have... Water is not made... I'm picking this up because someone's gonna trip over it. And it will break ever because, contrary to popular belief, glass does break.
You're trapped on a deserted island. Island is filled with lizards. What will you do?
Play your lizard impression.
Yeah. I don't think that's more like a dog.
Have you ever seen a lizard?
Wait, those are geckos. Fuck.
That's not a lizard or a gecko.
I have no idea what a lizard is. Is it a gecko? Is it tiny or is it big? The lizards are like the big ones? Yeah. Is a gecko a lizard? Is a gecko a lizard?
No, what is the name?
Lizard.
Gecko.
Amphibian. Yeah, that's a frog. Frogs are their own things.
And it's their...
That's their entire genre.
Let's just
Frogs
cut
are the
this,
only
please.
amphibians. That's their genre.
That's their genre.
I don't know. Can you explain a lizard while I go wash my hair?
No, we want to come and see this.
Amy, no. Yes. No. We're coming to see that. Oh, I guess we don't want to see that.
Okay, well...
Should I dye? No. Should I dye like all my hair purple?
Too late now.
Like my skin?
No,
hair?
you shouldn't.
My eyebrows? Oh, that could be cool. What? Why not? Coconut?
Okay,
I'm
bye.
gonna go take a shower.
Can I stop this? Okay, cool. Figured. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching my first video. Like and subscribe and get ready for some more content. So disclaimer, this video was filmed in November and since then I have gone back to my natural blonde, but the purple was awesome for a while and I miss it.